In this video, I'm going to be going over how to buy domain and hosting from Justhost step by step from start to finish. I'll also be providing you with a Justhost web hosting discount that will get you up to 74% off Justhost hosting plus a free domain name. Let's get started with the Justhost domain and hosting tutorial. The first thing you want to do to buy a domain name and web hosting from Justhost is to click the link in the description below so you can be taken to Justhost and so you can take advantage of getting up to 74% off plus a free domain name. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Justhost at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Justhost discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the Justhost homepage. You'll see you can get web hosting for as low as $3.95 a month. Click the Get Started button. You'll now be on the Select Your Plan page where you can choose your Justhost hosting plan. You'll see the Basic, Plus, and Choice Plus plan. All three plans come with a free domain name on any of Justhost annual plans. The basic plan is a good plan if you're going to have one website or is great when first starting out. This plan comes with 5 email addresses you can use. The Plus plan allows unlimited websites. This is a good plan if you're going to have more than one website. This plan comes with unlimited email addresses. This plan also includes Spam Experts. Spam Experts is a tool that you can use with your email address that will filter out spam emails or anything that contain harmful content. The Choice Plus plan comes with unlimited websites and email addresses as well. It includes the Spam Expert along with Domain Privacy Plus Protection and CodeGuard Basic. Click the select button on the plan you want to select. For this tutorial, I'm going to select the basic plan. You'll now be on the domain page where you can choose your free domain name. If you click on the .com, you can choose the domain extension you'd like to go with. If you already have a domain name, you can click the I have a domain name field and enter the domain name you have registered somewhere else. Once you type in a domain name that you want for free and hit the next button, you'll be on the Create Your Account page. Enter your information under the Account Information section. Next, you'll see the Package Information section. If you click Account Plan, you can choose the term for your Justhost hosting plan. You can choose to pay monthly, every 12 months, 24 months, or 36 months. You'll see you'll get the greatest discounted pricing on the 36-month term. If you go with the monthly option, you won't get your domain name for free and will have to pay for it. Next, you'll see the Package Extras section. This is where you can select any Justhost package extras you'd like to go with. All these package extras are completely optional, and you can even add these at a later time in your Justhost dashboard. You'll get a cheaper price for them now if you get them when you initially buy your Justhost web hosting. So just something to keep in mind. The first add-on is Domain Privacy Plus Protection. You'll only see this package extra if you are getting your free domain name with Justhost. If you went with the Choice Plus plan, you won't see it as it comes with the Choice Plus plan for free. I highly recommend going with Domain Privacy Plus Protection, as this will protect your personal information from the public and can protect you from getting lots of spam and telemarketers reaching out to you via email and phone to sell you their services. When a domain name is registered, it is required, regardless of the company you go with, that your personal information be included in the public WHOIS database. By choosing Domain Privacy Plus Protection, instead of your information showing, it'll show Justhost information protecting you. The next package extra is CodeGuard Basic. CodeGuard Basic will back up your site daily, and you can restore your site to a previous backup with a click of a button with their one-click restore. This add-on can be a good one because if your site gets hacked into, or you mess something up while creating it or editing it, you can restore it to the version right before whatever happened took place, and everything will be back to normal. This add-on can be very beneficial as you never know when you might need it. The next add-on is SEO Tools Start. SEO Tools Start will provide you with reports, insights, and analytics regarding the SEO for your site, and it'll recommend things to do to improve the SEO of your site. It will also report your site to search engines. This add-on isn't really necessary. It touches the basics in terms of SEO and is limited in what it tracks. It could be helpful for some if you aren't familiar with SEO at all. The next add-on is Site Backup Pro. Site Backup Pro is the same as CodeGuard Basic. You only need one, so if you want the backup package extra, you can choose either one. Next is Microsoft 365 Email Essentials. This will provide you with an email address you can access via Microsoft Outlook. Your Justhost account already comes with email accounts, and you can set them up with email providers such as Apple Mail, Gmail, and more. The package extra isn't necessary unless you want to utilize Outlook for your email. Next is SiteLock Security Essentials. SiteLock Essentials protects your site from malicious attacks and hackers, and from getting malware on your site. You'll receive daily malware scans, blacklist monitoring, which ensures your site doesn't get blacklisted by the search engines if your site does have a virus. It'll also block automated bot attacks. If you're going to be using WordPress to build your website, there are a lot of free security plugins that work just fine for protecting your site. So just something to keep in mind. SiteLock can be good as it'll protect your site, and if something does happen where it gets hacked, you won't be left trying to fix it and find the malware. Next, you'll want to enter your payment information, select the Agree to the Terms and Conditions, and click the Submit button. Justhost also accepts payment via PayPal, so you can select Pay with PayPal if you're willing to pay with PayPal. Once you hit the Submit button, it'll redirect you to the PayPal page for payment. Justhost will now email you your receipt along with login details so you can begin in creating your site. That is my Justhost domain and hosting tutorial on how to buy a domain and hosting from Justhost. Thanks for watching, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hosting video tutorials. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.